My name is Thirame. Please call me Pet. I'm 12 years old and I'm in the 6th grade now. Vegetables are great for health. It has a lot of vitamins and fiber. So today, I will show you how to make vegetable salad. Lettuce include green okra, red okra, broccoli, chopped carrot, chopped cabbage, sliced tomato, sliced cucumber, boiled egg, and last one, salad dressing. Let's get started. Put chopped carrot in bowl and chopped cabbage. Put some sliced tomatoes and cucumbers. And then add broccoli in the bowl. After that, put some lettuce. Like so, and put some protein from boiled egg. Finally, add salad dressing. And then mix it together. Until well. And finally, please enjoy. Have a good health. Bye bye.